Hello and welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to make your life easier. In today's video, we're going to show you how to see liked Facebook pages on your Android device. If you're someone who has liked a lot of pages on Facebook and wants to keep track of them, this video is perfect for you. There's no need to scroll through your newsfeed to find your favorite pages. Just follow these simple steps to view all your liked Facebook pages on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and log in. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your Android device and log into your account. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap the 3 stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you have logged in, you need to tap the 3 stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will open the Facebook menu. Step 3. Tap on Pages. Next, you need to tap on the Pages option, which is represented by a flag icon. This will open more options. Step 4. Choose from above liked pages. After you have opened the Pages section, you'll see the Liked Pages option listed above. Tap on it to view all the pages you have liked on Facebook. Step 5. View and manage your liked pages. Now that you can view all your liked pages, you can easily manage them by unfollowing or unfriending them. You can also view their latest posts by tapping on their name. Conclusion. That's it. These simple steps will help you see liked Facebook pages on your Android device in no time. Now you can easily keep track of all the pages you have liked and stay up to date with their latest posts. Don't let your favorite pages get lost in your newsfeed. Stay connected with them using this simple trick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one.